have a horse, let's see. These are female horses. You can tell. This right here, it has to be female horses as well. Maybe they don't have male horses here. I'm no horse expert, but I wonder if it's like with cows and bulls. You don't keep them together. I wonder if it's the same with the horses. You keep the female one area and the male in another area to prevent any unwanted pregnancies. You know, those are never good. So it's a bad thing. You know. But then again, I'm no horse expert. I don't even know how they reproduce. I think I haven't seen it, so I don't know. I never drove in the snow on my motorbike. I did on my moped once and I crashed. And since then I have been staying away from the snow. So I think that it's not worth the risk. It might be fun to, you know, slide around, whatever. But if you crash, it's not fun. Let's just say that. I don't like the rain. You see the road, it's like super wet, and that means that I'm driving like a coward. Stretch them legs, boy. And yes, I'm wearing jeans, but these are not just any regular jeans. These are motorcycle jeans with the Kevlar, and then I have a knee pad and hip pad, and that's about the pads I have. Then on the upper body I have a jacket with some elbow pads, shoulder pads. That's about it on the jacket, and then I have a back brace, a pad for the back, you know. That's pretty important. And then most importantly, the gloves. Can't forget the gloves. You know, they're really useful. Oh yeah, the helmet as well. That's important too, I guess. Driving like a race car driver. So am I. Wait, it's not a car. It's a motorcycle. I'm driving like a motorcycle race driver. Yes, that's exactly what it's called. There's a bump in the road. And I don't like the bump in the road. Here's another one, I think. Yeah. Oh my god. Felt like I was gonna go through the ground. Is that rain over there? I believe it might be rain. This is gonna be a really short drive. Because I believe that there's rain hanging in these clouds. When I looked at the... Yeah, it's raining. My visor is getting wet. I need to go home now. I don't like riding in the rain. God damn it. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, I should indicate. I keep forgetting to indicate. I'm so busy talking. Yeah, you did not hear that. It was like a rum. And then I dropped the clutch. No? I dropped the throttle. That's not nice. That was like, the head bumps forward.